Hey guys, Joe from Eastwood. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Eastwood Deburring Tool with diamond grinding wheel. This is going to be a great option for anyone that's shaping a material that's going to leave a burr. There are different types of burrs. They come from the different ways of forming material. There's tearing, there's bending, or lateral flow, also sometimes called a poisson burr. There's also slag from plasma cutting and beads from welding. No matter what, they can all cause issues with a project. Think about exhaust. Burrs keep pipes from sliding over each other. If you have a project car, you're going to have to cut out a rusty panel and replace it, and burrs cause big problems all around. So first off, let's dive into some of the features we have here. We have a 90-degree head with a solid alloy steel drivetrain inside, packaged in a lightweight but durable aluminum housing. Decently thin up top too, helps keep you nimble, makes the tight spots a little easier to get into, and we have a grease fitting right on the side. As far as the handle goes, you have a nice rubber textured grip, paddle trigger with that kickstand safety on it, easily lets you modulate the speed, and an exhaust is going to come right out the bottom. We have a flush adjustment knob for your airflow on the side, allowing you to keep that in check as well. This bad boy also includes one Eastwood IPA 2-inch 3-in-1 diamond grinding wheel that has some abrasive on the top side of the wheel too, letting you attack from both sides of whatever it is that you cut. I do really like that. That's especially great if you're doing some panel work. Let's say you cut out a rusty spot. This guy is going to allow you to deburr both the front and the back edges of the cut, allowing you to easily fit in a new panel. Just to get into some numbers here, this is going to spin at a maximum around 22K RPMs. It's going to operate at 90 PSI and consume 4 CFM of air. Eastwood even backs this product with a solid 1-year warranty. Now also, depending on what you're doing, you might need a good saw. I mentioned this earlier, but Eastwood does sell a kit that includes this deburring tool and also the Eastwood Elite panel cutting saw. Save a couple bucks, buy the kit if you know you're gonna need some panel cutting in your life. Highly recommend that. Well guys, that is gonna do it. Of course, thank you so much for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.